High Power Committee keberina kebenta ke Jingtei ke Ïing Dorbar ke Thymmai ke jela kalau kenduk lang ni kesngi hatach vivanta ban Buddien halor ketiga benta. Ha ketiga jingelang ladon lang Naduh lampang ke Ïing Dorbar Thawan u Thomas E Sangma nang tau Menteri Rangba u Konrad ke Sangma sembut Menteri Rangba u bak Presiden Tensong bat bak senyau bahalang bat duk ki MLA bat ki officer. Kat kum ke jinget hu do lampang ketiga jinget kenduk kolong ban Buddien ke jing pentre ya ke benta bekongsan jong ke Ïing Dorbar bat duk ke jinget keren ban sedang tre ya ke benta ke baar nalor kiwe kimat. Lai thu ru baka HPC kumjuk ke Assembly Secretariat nalor kiwe kitanat kila pedang ya ke jing terwa na ke benta ke kela ke baar bat dikatei kin sapha pat syaka dona.
We reviewed the progress of the new assembly building, which is the first phase, and we also presented the proposal for the second phase also. Second phase will include the staff quarters, MLA hostels, and the other health centers, schools, and so on. As I said, basically, number one was the review of the status, present progress of the main assembly building. Then the second item, agenda number 2, was to discuss about the second phase, which we are submitting a proposal to the Government of India through the donor ministry. Then the third agenda item was the presentation of the security systems, providing security solutions to the assembly complex. No, we had a discussion, but this was the only first presentation, so we'll take it forward. Now, with the approval of the High Power Committee, Assembly Secretariat, and the concerned departments like PWD and the other like PMCs and the consultants will sit together and again come back. We have decided to, since we are building this, having this assembly building and the complex from the scratch, so we wanted to incorporate the traditional and cultural aesthetics in the interior, especially in the interior and in and around the assembly complex. Now, there are no changes actually, but the principle of coming out with this, proposal for second phase, we also decided, and without compromising on the as I said, the cultural traditional aesthetics, we have all agreed in principle that we should have, and also because we have 80 acres of land, but that looks very big, but actually when we put all the infrastructure inside, the space is not enough for us. That's why we have to, plan accordingly. And this plan is not for short term. It is going for the next at least 2 or 3 generations in future. So you just... Yes, I had a discussion with the Government of India and the minister concerned, and they have been very positive. But we will know only after we submit the proposals how to go about it. Now we are only submitting our proposals. Whether the Government of India will actually accept or consider, that is to be seen later on. But we will try our best. Honorable Chief Minister and myself, we will be approaching them personally. Yes, no, the clearing is already done. Now, to build up the pillar for the main center dome, so the construction is on. The debris is cleared. I think 90% or 99% cleared.
So the work has started?
Yes.